Namita Education Society, Namita Education and Welfare Society, Siddharth College of Arts, Science and Commerce, and also B.Ed College of Siddharth, Namita Education Society. I welcome you all in this morning. It's indeed a privilege to have association with Krititya Foundation, heading by Dr. Pratnya Lokande Madam. Very short span of time, we arranged this program. And I'm very happy that many people, more than 200 people have joined this program in a very short span of time. Credit goes to Pratnya Madam for all your efforts. This is the first program we are organizing on behalf of Siddharth College, which is situated in a tribal belt in Badalapur. In fact, from Badalapur, we are supposed to travel by 20 kilometers in the forest area. That will take 30 minutes from here to reach from Badalapur. In fact, I have taken the charge recently. And once again, I welcome everybody for this August occasion. I'm sure
Sir, your mic is mute. Please unmute your mic, sir.
Sorry. Okay. So the World Environment Day is the largest annual event organized by United Nations ever since 1972 to generate awareness about the significance of the nature. Today, we all are part of protecting our nature. And I'm sure that today's speech being given by Dr. Rajasekhar Patil, an eminent speaker on this topic, and that too, I'm sure that it will be an eye-opener to each one of us to take part in this program. I welcome once again, and I want to thank on behalf of the Namita Education Society, Education and Welfare Society, ACP, Jadhav sir and Madam Meena Jadhav, and the entire trust of Namita Education Society. I once again welcome you all.
Sir, answer mic.
Again, automatically it's getting off. Okay, sorry, I think the mic is getting off. Once again, I don't know whether I repeated this. Once again, I thank Dr. Pratnya Lokande, the president of Krititya Foundation, for being associated with us in this August occasion. Thank you for making the people to attend this program. Friends, I'm sure that you're all going to get enriched by this program today. Without wasting much of your time, I once again welcome you all and leave from my responsibility. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now I request Dr. Ankush Aunkar, sir, to say words. Sorry, to say a few words.
But he is the B.Ed college principal. He is our B.Ed college principal.
It's okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Good morning. Yeah. Can I start, sir? Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. Yeah. Good morning to everyone. Today we are celebrating the program of World Environment Day. Our Siddharth College of Arts, Commerce and Science and the Krititya Foundation. I think all of you aware the word of the environment. Without environment, we can't live in this world. So every person, as a citizen, our responsibility is we give our some time, our some money, our some soul to our environment. That's why we are celebrating. And today's chief guest of program, Dr. Pradnya Lokhande. She is a associate professor, Department of Chemistry, Bhavans College, Andheri. Pradnya Madam also the president of Krutadnyata Foundation. And Pradnya Madam delivered the so many lectures related to environment, related to geography related awareness program to our society. So, Dr. Pradnya Ma'am, welcome from our college.
Thank you,
Then
sir.
thank you, ma'am. Then our second chief guest of Dr. Rajshekhar Patil. Rajshekhar Patil sir had completed PhD in the subject of geography. Sir have 20-year experience in the field of education, in the field of senior college. Sir organized and delivered so many lectures related to environment. So welcome sir to from our college and in this program. And one request to all dignitaries, you give your some time, your soul to our university. It is the today's program purpose. And my one humble request to Dr. Pradnya Madam, please give some word to our society related to Environment Day. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Raunker, sir. Now I request Dr. Pradnya Lokhande, President of Krutadnyata Foundation, to say a few words. Pradnya Lokhande, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. A very good morning to all. The respected trustees of Namita Education and Welfare Society, our today's chief guest and principal of Siddharth College, Badlapur, Dr. Paul, sir. Then again, our invited guest, Ankush, sir, the principal of B.Ed College. Our keynote speaker, respected Dr. Rajshekhar Patil, sir. Dr. Rajshekhar Patil, sir. The advisor and coordinator of this program, Sambhaji Shirsat, sir. All the respected dignitaries present here, teachers, colleagues, and dear students. I'm Dr. Pradnya Lokhande, the president of Krutadnyata Foundation, which is a Mumbai-based organization. I welcome you all for today's seminar. The topic is Green Business, Nurture the Nature for the Future, which we have all organized today on the occasion of World Environment Day. मैं आप सभी का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया करती हूँ कि आप सभी आज इस जागतिक पर्यावरण दिवस जो हम 5 जून को मनाते हैं, तो इस स्पेशल दिवस पर आप बड़े पैमाने पे उपस्थित हैं। और ये आपकी ये जो उपस्थिति है जो बहुत बड़े पैमाने पे है, तो यही हमें बात जताती है कि हम सभी पर्यावरण के प्रति बहुत ज्यादा आस्था रखते हैं और पर्यावरण सुरक्षित रखने के लिए हम सभी बहुत जागरूक हैं। और इस बात के लिए मैं आपको कृतज्ञता फाउंडेशन और सिद्धार्थ कॉलेज की ओर से सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ। थोड़ा सा मैं कृतज्ञता फाउंडेशन के बारे में बोलना चाहूंगी आपको। कृतज्ञता फाउंडेशन एक रजिस्टर्ड एनजीओ है जो पर्यावरण, एजुकेशन, विमेन एम्पावरमेंट एंड इवन अंडर प्रिविलेज लोगों के लिए काम करती है। हमने अभी तक बहुत सारे ओरिएंटेशन लेक्चर्स, अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम किए हैं, जहां एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सर्विसेज, देन मेंटल हेल्थ, सेल्फ डिफेंस फॉर द जूनियर कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स, देन नेल रिमूवल कैंपेन, ऐसे बहुत सारे फील्ड में हम लोग काम करते हैं और आगे भी करेंगे। इसके अलावा कृतज्ञता फाउंडेशन जो है, इट बिलीव्स दैट बिना सहकार नहीं उद्धार। सो इसलिए हम अलग अलग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ मिलकर काम करते हैं, जहां समाज के हर हिस्से तक हम पहुंच सके अगर एसोसिएशन करते हैं या तो कोलैबोरेशन हम लोग करते हैं तो ये पॉसिबल होता है कि हम बहुत ज्यादा जो मासेस है या तो फिर लोग हैं उनके साथ जुड़ सकते हैं और उनके जीवन में कुछ हद तक बदलाव ला सकते हैं। तो आज का भी जो प्रोग्राम है जहां ऑलमोस्ट 480 से मतलब ज्यादा पार्टिसिपेंट्स है, ऑलमोस्ट 500 पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैव रजिस्टर्ड फॉर दिस प्रोग्राम एंड इन सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स का जो आज जो सभी प्रेजेंट है उन सभी श्रोताओं का मैं कृतज्ञता फाउंडेशन और सिद्धार्थ कॉलेज की ओर से स्वागत करती हूँ। धन्यवाद। और एक बात मैं बहुत स्पेशली कहना चाहती हूँ डॉक्टर राजशेखर पाटिल सर के बारे में। डॉक्टर राजशेखर पाटिल जो है इनका पर्यावरण में इतना काम है, अगर आप उनका फेसबुक अकाउंट खोलते हैं या फिर गूगल पे आप सर्च करते हो तो आप देख पाओगे कि उनका बहुत सारा काम है वो और थ्रू आउट द ईयर। ऐसे नहीं कि आज वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे है और आज सेलिब्रेट करेंगे, ऐसी बात नहीं है। वो थ्रू आउट द ईयर्स मतलब बहुत सालों से ये काम करते आ रहे हैं एंड अगर आप उनका एजुकेशन देखते हैं तो उन्होंने एमए किया है 2 बार। एक सेकेंड ना सर, उनका एलएलएम भी किया है उन्होंने, देन पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट डिप्लोमा इन बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट एंड ऑफ कोर्स ही इज अ पीएचडी रिसर्च गाइड आल्सो। ही इज वर्किंग एट संत गाडगे महाराज कॉलेज, खेतवाड़ी, Mumbai, and he is also the head of the Department of Environmental Studies. So we have a very eminent, very prominent personality today amongst us. So I thank you all on behalf of Kritanyata Foundation and Siddharth College, Badlapur, and thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your nice words. And I really appreciate that you are working for the society and you are working on women's issues. You are also, you had organized one session on competitive exams. So as a social responsibility, you are doing very nice work. I really appreciate. And as per our principal, Dr. Paul sir, he also mentioned that let's work together for the betterment of society. So thank you once again. Now I request before that uh, today we have organized here tree plantation programs and the program will start at 11 o'clock. We have invited forest officers from Badlapur. He's a Maharashtra Vana Sena officer. And then another chief guest for the tree plantation is Dhaneshwar Matre sir. He's also he's a principal and active social worker. So with the prior permission of Dr. Pradnya Lokhande and Dr. Rajshekhar Patil sir, after this program, we will listen this lecture and we will start our tree plantation. Now, I request Dr. Rajshekhar Patil sir that I would like to introduce our chief speaker of the program. Already Pradnya ma'am has given a short introduction of sir. Sir's biodata is very vast, but I would like to mention his contribution to society, then research, which will be a motivation for us, the young speaker. Then those are the those people are working in environmental area. Then those are the researchers. Those are the new students. Those are the young generation. So his biodata, I would like to read in short. Sir is a head of department environmental studies. Is a guide at Sant Gadge Maharaj College of Commerce and Economics, Mumbai. Sir has taught in 4 various colleges: Sant Gadge Maharaj College, then Mulund College of Commerce. Hello, ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, Lala Lajpat Rai College of Commerce. Again, he is still working in Sant Gadge Maharaj College. And the main the part of his life is his a life membership in professional bodies like Bombay Geographical Association. ये बहुत बड़ा association है, आपको सबको पता है. Then he's also member of National Solid Waste Association of India, Advances Management, Society for Science and Environment. Nowadays, this is a need of time that we should work on science and environment. And sir is a member of that society. Then he is a fellow member of International Society of Management. He has given talk and he was invited as a research person or expert. He has given more than 17 talks, national awards, 2 national awards. Then he visited abroad. Then he have innovative practices. Then he is a co-author of the textbook Environmental Studies for
I think his network is lost. I request Dr. Rajasekharan Patil, sir, to take charge of the session, sir. Thank you.
Hello. Yes, sir, I'm here. So now I request Dr. Today's chief guest and
Keynote speaker. Sir, you
chief
can
guest.
take charge, sir. Patil, sir, please unmute. Please unmute, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes. Carry on.
Are you able to hear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Being an environmentalist, it is a great day for me. And so many dignitaries from an education to an NGOs and some of the professors and students, as the Pradnya Madam said, the tally is already crossed more than 500 and whatnot. So being a teacher or researcher or an environmentalist, I'm very happy to see the smile and in everybody's face. Dear friends or ladies and gentlemen, in which way I have to address it, I myself will get it confused. Let's come down to the today's business. As today is an World Environment Day, as the theme of the 2021, all of you people were aware that it is ecosystem restoration is the theme of the decade, and the theme which we people also could label it for the reimage, restart, and then relocations. That is 2021 to 2031. That is a message of a decade. But the theme of this year, 2020-21, is ecosystem restoration. Let's come down to the today's topic specifically. That is a green business. As most of we people were aware that green consumerism, green path, and environment, ecosystem, ecology, and all other things, because environmental covers above earth and below sun, everything, every prospects we would like to brought it to under the purview of an environment. Under these circumstances, I thought everybody is going with an environment. I have to take little bit of a subtopic that is known as a green business. In that too, specifically, I would like to go with the nature, nurture the nature for the future. See, nurture the nature for the future, isn't it? Everybody will talk about the environment one day or 1 week, and so plantations and all other things. But how long it is? When we'll start the real interest on that? And that is also true that we environmentalists are not against the industrialist or the business class or anyone, those who are making the business out of anything. So the business also will do it under the purview of an environment. That is the reason we people labeled it as an green business, isn't it? So I request the Pradnya Madam or some associates to please display the
Yes, sir. Yes.
PPTs.
Yes, sir.
First PPTs. Just have a good glance on the PPT.
Sir, one minute. 1 minute.
Okay, okay.
Kindly allow me to screen share.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
I'm not able to share the screen. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Kindly allow
Are you
me
able
to
to?
kindly allow me to share it. Hello.
Hello. Madam, you are talking to me?
1 second, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, madam.
Yeah, how to go for it? Sheila, sir. Sheila,
हॅलो
sir.
मॅडम हा मॅडम बोला ना
ऍक्च्युली मला स्क्रीन शेअर करायची आहे. ओके,
हो
तर मला होस्ट बनवायला लागेल का आपल्याला?
हो तुम्हाला होस्ट बनवावं लागेल
हा, थोड्या वेळ मला होस्ट बनवा. सरांचं झालं लेक्चर की तुम्ही हे कराल का?
हो पण मला मी नाही होस्ट नाही ना मी
कोण आहे होस्ट?
आपल्या राहुल सर असतील मला होस्ट नाही बनवलेलं वाटतं
राहुल सरांना सांगा ना मला स्क्रीन शेअर
ओके,
करायचं हे
ओके.
द्या, परमिशन द्या म्हणून प्लीज.
ओके चालेल मी सांगतो त्यांना
हा
कॉल
हा हा प्लीज.
So sorry for an
सॉरी हा सर.
disturbance, sir. No, no, it's okay, madam. Meantime, shall I continue with the lecture?
येस सर, येस
And
सर,
just
येस सर,
yeah.
येस येस.
See, the green business, the topic which I already labeled it as nurture the nature for the future, isn't it? Here, the main motive of this talk is we people should also go within our business activities, and there should not be only the environment and the protection, conservation and whatnot things, because it is not a 1 day or 2 days program. It has to be continued, it has to be sustained under under these circumstances. How best we can cope up with an nature and the day-to-day's life, how people can protect it, because this is not the new things to us. Since from the birth of an human being, last from the 5 lakh years, this struggle is going on. Probably till up to 1850, there was no problem within a nature. But once 1950 onwards, where the industrial revolution has picked up almost all the roots in most of the developed countries in the world, even not only developed, even the developing countries of the world, the environmental started gaining its importance. Or especially after the 1980 onwards, the environment becomes an issue at the local, first at the global level, that is an ozone deflections and greenhouse gases, and even it reached up to the local levels also. Right now, after the 2000 onwards, this become the major issues, where it is a global level or at a local level. Environment is the most burning issue, and followed by the human rights, isn't it? So under this such circumstances, the on the day of the environment, green business makes more sense. Now, I hope, madam, it is already okay, or the Shelar sir PPT is ready. And the first one of which, hello, yes sir,
हॅलो
Hello.
Sorry to
मॅम
disturb you.
आपले
वसंत कदम सर.
huh.
वसंत कदम सर. हॅलो, सिद्धार्थ
Hello.
कॉलेजचे कदम सर. कदम सर, आर यू देअर? हॅलो. मला
Hello.
को-होस्ट बनवा सर. कदम सर, मला को-होस्ट बनवा प्लीज, so that I can share the screen, please. Sorry, sir. You can continue meanwhile.
Okay. The first slide speaks about the benefit of going green. Why we should go for a green? Why everywhere the people are very much interested to go for a green? Why so many policies were made at the global level to in a local level on the green? What is the benefit of it? And all other things are definitely strikes in our mind, isn't it? That we can see that at an individual level are the traditional ways which you people were maintained these greenness since from our olden days. I already spoken with you. The enhance the brand image, any organization or any institute or any way you can activities you can put it on this earth, they would like to build their own brand images. Those brand images should be on the environmental friendly, and they are going one step ahead for an environmental products. Even you can look into the Google which you people are using day to day activities, how nice campus they have in their head offices in USA, isn't it? In Silicon Valley belt, see how the guests they will treat. If there's some outsiders will come, how much green they are maintained. Even some of the corporate houses you can see it. Even in the China also you can see how best the greenery is maintained, even though they are doing lot many technical ditches or in hitches, we can label it. But as far as the greenness is concerned, they are also maintaining it, isn't it? And increased productivity, not only this helps us for a growing green or the green business, it is also gives in green literacy. And
हाँ, कर
सर माइक म्यूट है।
पाटिल सर आपका माइक म्यूट है।
I hope it is muted now, or a long time it was muted. I'm not aware how automatically it went. Anyway, how this green cities were, sorry, these smart cities were come up in a national level or in a state level. But we environmentalists very much interested on the uh, sustainable cities. We don't need it. We need the sustainability. Sustainability is more important for us because it gives a long-term result, which exists in our old, exist in the villages till today. All together will work. All together will maintain any festivals or any activities of the village levels are concerned. Probably they might not be having good enough money to meet the both the ends, but they're having the peace mind, isn't it? Which we people were lacking perfectly present condition, especially in the Mumbai, isn't it? So we need an sustainable cities rather than the smart cities, and better financial and investment opportunities. See, these are coming up for in various ways. Some of the investors will also look for what sort of the infrastructures which you people will be having at a local level and national level, or even at the state level. There was a terminology which we people were mostly adopted is work from home. Then why not work from the village? Isn't it? In one of the South Indian techno, he started his business from the remote village of the Tamil Nadu. He was worked as a CEO of the some multinational companies in an USA Silicon Valley belt. He left that and he come over here. Why not we people who want to work from the villages, sitting under the big tree with a laptop when the infrastructures are available, isn't it? When there is a work, come by on flight and go evening to in your village or your town, which will allow reduce the urbanization and development of the villages, isn't it? So automatically so many businesses which you people can sit in a village and remote areas, and we can manage it and give employment opportunities to our villagers, isn't it? As you people were also aware that in one of the last sessions, I labeled it as one of the IAS officer. After his retirement, he showed his great views. Before retirement, he's taken the VRS and he joined his own village, and wastage of the vegetables, fruits from the village to town, 37% it was in wastage. He brought it down to the 9%. He himself was taken the class of an driving, plumbering. He done it for his own village, isn't it? See, such examples will definitely brings the business even at the local levels. And our green business, how best how we can go for our green business and maintain it. It is a talk of the town, as so many people were definitely thinking and going back to the villages and remote areas or the towns and looking for that, because this epidemic taught us very important lesson, isn't it? So many migrants were left Mumbai, if you have remembered. They are not ready to give, they not ready to stay. Even the government and some of the NGOs in Mumbai come forward to help them. Food also they were thrown in the on the road. That shows that their anger, because when they are badly in need, that time Mumbai was not accepted them. There might be 101 reasons for that, isn't it? Have you seen so many videos where circulated on the railways? They were thrown the food on the other platform or Churchgate platform, Bandra platform. There was a Maramari in the Bandra platform. Just to recall these things, what best options which you people have? Increase the preparedness for the legislations. See what infrastructure which you people will be having, what facilities we people will be having. Let's make in some sort of a legislation at the local level or the national level or an international levels also in UNA, UNEP, UNO, making so many conveyances to get it implemented in an UNEP, United Nations environmental programs, isn't it? Green Germans, Green Party, I would like to label it, because government Green Party made so many things, noise, but they come to know that unless and until you don't have any power, you cannot do it. Then when they make the political parties and come back to the power, then they made the laws. No one will cut the trees in Germany. That might be the reason last from the 50 years, how much forest is there in Germany? Same forest is maintained. And Germans still today, they believe that they lost the Second World War because they were unable to pay enough attention for the environment. Just to recall your history lessons. Germany went to the Russia to defeat the Russia. Russia, that was in November and December, so cold, and the Germans were raided.
पाटील सर, राजशेखर पाटील सर,
Automatically get it. Hello, madam.
तुम्ही मला को-होस्ट बनवणार का प्लीज, कारण तुम्ही होस्ट झालेले आहात तिथे.
हो का?
मला
अच्छा,
को-होस्ट
1 minute.
बनवायला डॉक्टर प्रज्ञा लोखंडे नावानी आहे माझं, सो आय कॅन
1 minute.
इमिडिएटली शेअर द स्क्रीन.
Okay, madam. 1 minute. I will
थोडं इथे
try.
टेक्निकल काहीतरी इश्यू झालेला.
Okay, I will make it.
काढू.
1 minute, madam.
एक्स्ट्रीमली सॉरी सर.
Madam. Okay.
डॉक्टर प्रज्ञा लोखंडे नाव आहे माझं तिथे.
मला कसं को होस्ट बनवायचं ते माहिती नाही.
सर माझ्या
ते
नावावर
शोधत.
क्लिक करा तुम्ही, मोर
हा,
येईल,
हा.
मोर ऑप्शन.
अच्छा, ओके.
ओके.
1 minute. Ask to start the video है तो है का मॅडम?
नाही नाही नाही.
मेक होस्ट. हा आहे.
हा मेक
Okay.
को होस्ट. हा चालेल.
हा.
येस येस.
ओके.
चालेल
येस.
चालेल. थँक्यू
ओके.
सो मच. मी
ओके.
करते.
हा.
Yes.
ओके. प्लीज.
So
हा.
if
This slide
you
I completed. हा.
Okay.
You can go ahead. Ha. Yes, madam. Next slide. Ha.
Okay.
Going green. Next,
Okay.
our green business. Ha. That only. Our green business. You can keep it. Before
Okay,
that.
sir. Thank you. Before one.
Ha. Before one. Our green business.
Okay. This one, na sir?
Nice, madam. Ha. Okay. This our green business. Correct.
Okay, sir.
See.
Thank you.
Ha. Sorry. Just you have a good look. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, sir. You
Audible
are.
and video. Okay. Just have a good look. This Green Party has made many sounds. Probably how our Aam Aadmi Party has made clean sweep in Delhi to make their wills and their formalities or their wishes to be completed. And healthier work environment. One of the important issues of the green business is that the healthier work environment. Just I given you already the Google Office and some of the Mahindra and Mahindra you can take, or the Kirloskar Industries you can take, even the uh, Reliance Industries you can take. They are more environmental friendly, and that might be one of the reasons for their healthier growth as an organization. And quality recruitment. Green is growth. We are all aware that green is always growth. That might be the reasons why green resembles the progress. And the most people would like to enter into this. Even when we people will come after the work to a home, before going to the home, we people also see that green patches in front of our house. It might be a tree or it might be anything. Green patches will be there. In the rural areas, it is a very common. In front of our house, there will be a big tree, because whatever tensions, pressures, or destruction you have before entering into the house, just you see that you are left everything in back of your home only. But when you entering the home, you are having the peace of mind, isn't it? Or in case you are missing that, then in the urban cities like in Mumbai, what we people were doing, we people were keeping the home plants. As soon as when you will open the door, at that time we people will see that there will be in green patches. It might be honey plants, or it might be in a green plants in our house or in a balcony. If it is balcony is not there, but when we opening the door, then there will be an plants plants in front of us. Then adding more efficient lightning, big windows we should will be having ventilations, which is perfectly like in an Mumbai. We people have big windows, but where is an this ventilations we people are forgotten, because ventilation is badly needed. Carbon dioxide will go from the ventilation and oxygen will come from the windows. We people will keep only one big window. That is not in a perfect way. In the village house pattern which you people will see it, that is perfectly for the living conditions, isn't it? That might be reasons why there will be more peace in those houses. To get the benefit of this, we people will run into a resorts, isn't it? Then why we should not make our own house like a resort, isn't it? These are the all little parcels of an green patches. Then next, madam, next slide. How institutes are going green. See how institutes are going green. Let's have a good look on the CSR. corporate social responsibilities, lot many things which you people were making it under this. Government having a good regulations on this, but are you satisfied for this? This is a big question for us. Green initiatives, one has to take all the precautions. It might be in a vertical garden or it might be in horizontal gardens, which we people are keeping it almost all in our business houses or business segments, or most of the institutes also at the entry levels. Some of the schools and colleges were also maintaining it. And reducing the energy, we should go for an flow of the energy resources. Fund energies, one or another day it will come to an end. Petrol will be finished after next 20 years, isn't it? We have to convert the energy, permanent, temporary energy into permanent energies. Flow in the fund energies into flow energies. Is it the conventional energies to non-conventional energies? Under these circumstances, we have to depend on the solar energies, wind energies, or the water or the tidal energies. These are the some of the things which I would like to brought to your notice, and we should concentrate on that. And reducing the waste also. See, there are 7 R's which you people will label it. Those were rethink, refuse, reduce, recycle, then regulate and research. One should focus in that. These are the new areas to any youngsters where we people have lot of work, lot of business, lot of opportunities and whatnot, which you people can put it. As the study also reveals that most of the corporate houses, CSR spells that 63% of the institutes or the industries are reducing the energies. The statistics speaks. But what is the reality? We don't know. But the beginning has been started already. 63% of the energy is reduced at a local level to a global level. Under these circumstances, I would like to label it as the waste literacy has to be developed. Box at an management in the management offices gate or the schools colleges gate, we have to put it any what best we can do it for to save the energies, or green patches which you people can take it from the public also, because they are also the stakeholders, isn't it? Now next slide please, madam. Green energy, as all we people were washing up our hands on the green energies, which is the future energy, or it will bring the more pieces, as most of the things, most of the experts will quote it. McKinsey and company has taken the lead in this. New starts, cycles, and skilled trades or skilled labors, once they were invested, and then green energies or the consumer energies are the best usable of the energies. Those will be a really asset to an company. How the HRD, R&D departments will plays the significant role. Same role these people can also play it, and definitely which will makes the coming up future. Ultimate energy, which you people will quote it as the solar energies and ultimate energy. More scope for an anywhere. This ultimate energy, solar energies, which you people were making lot of research, and we people were quoting it. The simple reason is that the solar energy is available throughout the world. Any corner of the world you can reach, it is available. There is no need for an carry out. Enough innovation should be also done, not only in research, isn't it? In IIT third building, we people come across the solar energy. It is exclusively kept it for an solar energies. Second building is kept it for the wind energies, isn't it? So like this, not only research, I would like to quote it that it should to be also on an, it should to be also on the innovations. New innovations has to come up. Renewable energies, just have a good look on the renewable energies, where we should go for the renewable energies, herbal plants or the medicinal herbs. Not enough research has been done, or it might be done, that is done only in Germany, as some of the historians are also of the opinion that Germans were learned Sanskrit. They are taken the keen interest. One of their main reason is that in our Ayurveda or Yatharvaveda or in our old sciences, everything was maintained regarding the health sector. That might be the reasons why most of the pharmaceutical companies or chemical companies are German based. We are not learnt it. We're not given enough attention to our old languages, including the Sanskrit. Or how many of you people were given importance to in Pali? How many of you people were given the importance to the Artha Magadhi, Magadhi, Prakriti? There was an ullekhan of this, isn't it? See how nicely we people were marching towards the western side, but West is marching towards the eastern side, isn't it? It should not be. And turn to the computer at night. Most important, all of we should make it one point. Turn out our mobiles, computers, or electronics appliances before going to the bed, and we should keep these things away from our bed, isn't it? So otherwise the radiations will hit and hamper our health, as the different studies in the different parts of the world also shown it. And next slide speaks about how can we go for an green. Just have a good look on that. After the green energy, how can we go for a green? How best we can do it at our levels? We can go for a green. The first way is that online or the digital, where we people are liking it or not, but online plays a significant role. Or digital, there are certain ditches. You cannot alternate the physical teaching to an online teaching, but for a time being, it's an okay. At least we can touch, we can have some sort of an conversations. And because of this online, today we people are here, isn't it? For the time being, it's an okay. Digital, how much possible, that much. Otherwise, unnecessary, we people are cutting the trees and making the papers, isn't it? Press less, don't print it. If it is possible, do all the things on the online without wasting the paper, and recycle it. If paper is there, go for a recycling it. And paper is an stunt. You must remember, the paper is a stunt. Everybody is back of the paper. Recycled, even in some of the seminars and conferences nowadays, people are using last year the letter pad which they will give to the participants made out of the recycle. In this categories, I would like to label the Lala College, especially one Mr. Kadley. The librarian has taken, Dr. Kadley has taken lot of interest in this recycling the papers. Even in the examination also, after finishing the examination, what we people will do it, we people simply put it into the dust radibalas. Instead of that, we people can go for the recycle and make the yellow papers and make the notebooks and distribute in the rural areas or the needy peoples or ashramashalas. It should be a continuous process, isn't it? Bring the outside and inside. See the bulbs, we can use it properly, and so many ways which you people can save, isn't it? The bulb culture, as you might have been come across more ways, isn't it? Do energy audit regularly. All the institutions, educational institutions, where is the school, colleges, or the institutes should regularly go for an energy audit. Even the green audit or the waste audit, water audit, every type of the audits, and the paper audit, we should go for that, isn't it? And work from home, alternative or efficient work from home, we people are doing it, but develop more efficiency in that, because we don't know how long it will go, isn't it? So these are some of the things which I would like to brought to your notice. Next, I would like to put it as nurture the nature. How best we people can go? Nurture the nature is nothing but conservation, save or protect, or we can call it as an what sort of the rules, regulations, or guidelines, acts, laws which you people are making it. You see that it is a nurturing. Conservation is taking place. If you are doing the forest, appointing the forest officer, give him a jeep, appoint one person as a driver, and put the petrol, give the petrol cost, isn't it? Otherwise, who will bear the cost of the petrol? Isn't it? These are some of the things which you people will come across, isn't it? Systematically, we people will has to make it. Optimize the public policy coordinations. See, public policies which you people would like to take into in consideration, prepare the drawback, feedback, and listen. They are the stakeholders. Sometimes they will give them more suggestions, more constructive suggestions, especially senior citizens in some parts. in the same areas. Even the retired people from the government or the private sectors, they can also give lot many time for this, isn't it? And we'll also see that the fostering portable skills are lifelong learning. See, we people come across a lifelong learning skills. Driving is there, cooking is there, isn't it? And we people come across the washing and plantation. All these are the one type of the skill, and our youngsters should learn it. It will yield us in any time, any time. It will give us a more comfortability. In case you are cooking, you having habit of in cooking, instead of eating outside food, you can better to cook it, especially those students who will go for an abroad for their higher studies, and that too in vegetarians find it very difficult, isn't it? So these things will make some more sense, and definitely comes under the purview of nurture the nature, matching the market development regularly. Just go for need based need based consumers, and we should also go for some do it certain things which we people are expected to do it, and what has to do it and what has not to be done. So those should to be also taught in our school level, college levels, and properly through the projects, through the guidelines. It not required much. If in case we people are doing it in a regularly 5-10 minutes every day before beginning of the lectures or end of the lecture is enough. Bring them to the purview of a nature, and youngsters are very enthusiastic. Even they can do they can develop their career in the green business. These are the real foundations. And focusing on the transparency, as I told you, a transparency in the sense of an R&D department, research and development. See, the patents, intellectual property rights, isn't it? Artificial intelligence, and brush up nurturing, and we people also come across memory cells will be brushed up at an young age. All these things should be exposed to our youngsters. Artificial intelligence, look, patent, how many of we people were aware about the patent and its registration? Research and development is this most important cell, but have you getting enough importance for that? Just have a good look on that. And lastly, which I would like to take it to is an outcome, that is greener skills and jobs. Lot of scope is there. Gearing up for the education for training and growth, as Kratagna Foundation is one of that. Gearing up the education, we should have educate, give the training to the people, either in the natural, in the environmental way or educational way, because the food, shelter, clothes, these are the basics of the human beings, and later on health, and next one is education, isn't it? So, and the state should provide them, and those who are getting food, shelter, education, food, shelter, clothes, health and education, for them for them only we people call them as a human being. If any human being is not getting it, then we are not in a position to accept them as a human being, and it is the duties of the state to provide them. That might be the reasons why we people have the ration shops, public distribution system, isn't it? And we people come across, next one is enterprise approaches, workforce for an green energy, green technology, carbon credit, carbon bank, and carbon footprint. These are the talk of the towns. One should remember that, isn't it? Our approach towards to the concept has to be changed. Green technology, you must use it. Carbon credit, carbon bank, access, how the exchange should be takes place. Interpreting the skills into the local development. Work from village, as we already discussed it, work from village makes the more sense. There should not be any migrants and rush urbanization, all those things which the Mumbai or the mega cities monopolies are facing throughout the words may not be quoted, isn't it? And strategies for the green job creations, green banking, or the village property, as the share market, how we people will invest our money, mutual funds, same way which you people can use our property in the village. In case you are working in the Mumbai, we people can we can we can we can look at that in the village level, our property is there, 2 acres of the land, old house is there, that which you people can lend it, and the local authority, it may be a bank, post offices, can take care of it, and whatever fees is there, we can give them, and at least it will be utilized for the better way. Property taxes, which you people will do it the same way. Resources should be utilized up to maximum extent. So this is an outcome of the session. So anybody have any queries, questions, doubts regarding the green business topic, that is nurture the nature for the future? You are most welcome to ask. Over to Pradnya madam. Any queries? Yes, Pradnya madam.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, thank you so much.
Yes, madam.
If you have any questions, you can go ahead and ask our sir.
Yes, any queries, questions, doubts, please let me know.
ಸೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ
Yes, any queries?
ஜனதா மார்க்கெட் கிடையாது. ஜனதா மார்க்கெட்ல வாங்கலாம்னா நான் 10 நான் சொல்லிட்டேனே, இது துணி நல்லா இருக்குமா அவ்வளவு கம்மியா போட்டுருக்காங்க.
Yes, yes. Any queries, questions, or doubts?
ஜனதா மார்க்கெட் இடையில அதே லைன்ல தான் ஜனதா மார்க்கெட்.
Participants, please mute yourself. If you have any doubt, you can ask, or any queries you can ask. Otherwise, we can end the session today. Before.
Yes,
Okay.
so one query. One
Yeah,
query
good
I
morning.
come across. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Good morning,
Please.
Pradnya madam. Good morning,
Yeah,
sir.
good morning.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
madam.
this is Geeta Shetty from Mumbai. I would like to know what kind of programs we can conduct in the primary school level, where we are dealing with the children of age group of 6 to 10. Sir, please guide us.
Yes, yes, madam.
There are many primary teachers and head of the schools from Mumbai.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
I would like to you to throw some lights on that, so teachers, it will be very helpful to the teachers to to carry on the such programs in the primary level.
Yeah,
Sir.
yeah, madam, definitely. These, which I am myself in my college, we also have the primary school. In there, one program which I conducted, that is the seed bombing. Seed bombing, especially in the June month, I asked the students with the headmaster and the school teachers. I've taken them into confidence, and varieties of the seeds of the different fruits which they will consume it, where it might be in a mango, or where it might be in sitapal, or where it might be some other, even the seeds of in some vegetables also. And the students were brought it, and they also brought along with an mud also. And in the college they are prepared seeds, the laddus of these seeds mixed with an mud, and I've taken them to the from in Mumbai, this Baikla station to this Kalwa station in the central line. And we people were get down at the Kalwa station, and we people were walked a little bit, 10-15 minutes. Then we were exactly at the foothills of the Sahyadris, and I asked the students to throw the seed bombing. Seed bombing, as we people already, it is an old concept. Varieties of the seeds will be made or put it into an laddus, preparing the laddus and throwing it in the foothills, in the open areas where the little bit of open area or some herbs were also there. And after the 3 months, for the supervision purpose, which we people were visited, there are so many varieties of the seeds. Seeds were getting into in plants. This is one of the activities. The students were more enthusiastic, especially for the school childrens. This activities, seed bombing, which we can think of it. And secondly, even you can give it in case cities like in Mumbai, especially in the South Mumbai or congested areas you are staying, then you can give for the kitchen gardening. In the kitchen, everybody's house, there will be a kitchen. In the kitchen, window will be there, one window either in the hall or in the kitchen, which you people will be having. There we people can whatever left out, it might be an chapudi, or it might be an wet materials, or it might be something else, which will be cut for, or the urea for these types of the plants. And water you can put it one pot for in one students, and ask them to go for methis, or the some sort of an kotambar, we people will call it, no, where the lifespan will be 20 days to in 1 month, and a small pot will be there. I given them the students and asked them to bring it in after 1 month, and they were brought it because I would like to put the college seal on that. Like that I told them, and so many kids and so many students in our college, students also, first year become students also brought it. And these types of the activities definitely encourage them, isn't it? These are the new ways of an making enthusiasm of the young students. They will also enjoy it, and so many projects also we can give it to in a school level, at their residential level. Even in a COVID-19 period, also our students were done lot many work, isn't it? Light bills also they were brought it, and what to do and what not to do. We people explain to them 3 months light bill they were brought it, and after the environmental energy literacy, they learned switch off the phones, switch off the computer, switch off the lights and all other things. And whatever bill they got it last from the 3 consecutive months, it has been reduced next the 3 consecutive months. That is the same case with on water audit and waste audit, isn't it, madam? So
Yeah,
many
yeah.
things we can do
Yes,
it.
sir.
So many things
I
they
agree.
were enthusiastically do it,
Yeah,
and
sir.
our work will be also get it done. Even for the NAC purpose also, we people will go for in degree colleges also,
Yeah, yeah.
isn't it?
Through
Yeah,
children, we
madam.
can give message to parents also to
Yeah,
reduce the
parents.
waste. Like, sir, thank
Yes,
you very
yes,
much for
it.
your innovative ideas. Thank you very
Yes,
much.
yes, madam. So nice of you. So
Thank
nice
you.
of you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Yes. Any more questions?
Sir, how can we make organic fertilizers from wet waste at home?
What? How to make the organic fertilizers? Next.
From wet waste at home.
Yeah. You can do it. Organic means it is not at all be not includes the chemicals, fertilizers, ureas, and whatnot things. It is an original one, isn't it? So this has to be taken it from our wet only. However, we people will do it every days, isn't it? And the organic waste to which you people will apply it or give it to the plants, the taste of the plants or the fruits of the plants or the flowers of the plants, whatever outcome of the plants will be an excellent. You can take the taste also. In a Gaunti language, in a Marathi, we people call it as an Jawari. You can use the kakdi, Jawari kakdi, or you can use the Jawari, carrot, Jawari carrot. Small will be there, but it will be tasty. It having its own taste. And even the bakri also, the jawars which you people call is Jawari jawars, isn't it? Its taste will be quite different. This how we people can make it through the vermiculture. In the respective housing societies, we people has to put the first the wet, then mud we people has to put it. After that, we people who has to keep it, then earthworms, then again mud we have to put it, then again the wet waste we people has to put it, and we people has to cover it like in barrel or a drum for 21 days. After the 21 days, we people has to open it. Earthworms will be there, and we people has to make the up and down. And these cut is already ready as an vermiculture, as I said to you. And this which you people can use it for our plants in our housing society plants or the house plants. In case if you having the large number, even you can sell it in an market, open market, like an APMC and all others. Malabar Hills, Kambala Hills, citizens are doing it, and this work is given to the security guards. In security guards, they used to earn as an 8,000 rupees per month, but out of this vermiculture activities, they are earning 21,000 extra. 8,000 plus 21,000 extra per month they are earning it. When the housing society come to know this, then housing society, this big people still have been very money minded. They asked the watchman to do your own business. They appointed another fellow to do this vermiculture. they given them as an 8,000 rupees, and remaining 16,000 they are used it for the sinking fund of their societies. This is the most unfortunate.
Good idea, sir.
Yes,
Very good
madam.
idea.
Sir, I
Yes.
have,
No, so many innovative ideas you will come.
yeah, okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir, I have heard about the crazy earthworms. They damage the soil. So how we should recognize the good earthworms and the crazy earthworms?
Madam, for an earthworm related things, we people has to only depending upon the cultivators or the where from which shop we people are purchasing, no, from there, or we should know the agriculturist. Agriculturist regularly they will go for an agricultural activities. Those people will be knowing it. Probably our village farmers, or our relatives, those who are cultivating in agriculture in the village areas or in the shops also, in an cup parade areas or in our Grand Road areas. We people have in shops, regular shops, those people will give because they have the permanent regular customers. From there only we people can able to identify it. We are not in a position to identify them in the proper way.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes. Yes. Any other queries, questions, or doubts? Let me know. Yes. Any more? Yes, hurry up.
Are there any questions, or we can go towards the conclusion of this lecture? Please hurry up. Already we are.
Yes, yes. We are running already 15 minutes late.
Yeah, yeah.
Any
So I
queries,
think,
questions, let me know.
Yeah. I think, sir, there are no more questions now. I think we should go
Yes,
to
yes,
the
madam.
conclusion of this program. So I take this, Sirsat sir, the coordinator has.
Excuse me, Dr. Pragna, 1 minute. Thank you very
Yeah,
much
yeah,
for
please, please.
arranging such kind of programs. And I feel you should keep on arranging such kind of programs. And we would like to hear more from Dr. Rajsekhar Patil.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and I feel you should have more sessions on this program. It's very interesting idea
Yes,
you have come up with. It is not only on Environmental Day, but I feel like last year we met, but this year again you keep on keeping webinars and seminars on important topics. So
Yes,
all will be busy and will get new ideas. At the same time, now seeing the situation, I don't think so. School will reopen very fast. So
Yes, yes,
let teachers enhance their knowledge and pass it on to the students. Thank you very much, Dr. Pragna, for arranging such program. Beautiful program.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Surely, ma'am, we can collaborate with the schools or junior colleges and degree colleges also. Krutadnata Foundation will take that initiative where we can collaborate with the schools and junior colleges and degree colleges. And Rajsekhar Patil sir, Dr. Patil sir will be more than happy to deliver such many lectures and educate our children and the society and bring awareness program or awareness in the society.
Yes.
Thank you, Pradna madam. Thank you to one and all for your valuable time and given me an opportunities to address you on this Environment Day. And I'm sure that definitely we will take the good message to our home, or we are sitting in the home only, to the today's message. Go for a green, and it should be a routine matter, sustainable matter, not nothing new to it. Isn't it? It was there in the olden days, till we people will continue it. Isn't it? The quality life we people can lead it. Lot many things we people learned it from this COVID-19 epidemic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, madam.
We will definitely take this opportunity where we can organize the online lectures, and we will be able to educate many people as much as possible. Yeah.
Yes.
I really heartily thank you so much, sir. And as Professor Sirsat sir, the coordinator, has requested me to propose the vote of thanks. So on behalf of Krutadnata Foundation and Siddharth College, Badlapur, it is my privilege to propose the vote of thanks. I thank the trustees of Namita Education and Welfare Society, respected Principal Dr. Paul sir, all the respected dignitaries present here, teachers, my dear colleagues, my dear students, and also on the behalf of the Board of Trustees of Krutadnyata Foundation, I heartily thank you all for your valuable time for gracing this occasion. I heartily thank our today's guest speaker, Dr. Raj Shekhar Patil, who is the eminent environmentalist. Sir, your thoughts have enlightened our minds and shown us a new path for environment conservation, energy conservation. I hope the young children or the students will take innovative ideas from you, sir, and they will carry out such activities like seed bombing is there, where our own trees will be conserved. Sometimes but we ignore our own trees only to conserve them, so we can do that. And I also thank Mandakini Jayavanta College, that is MG College Badlapur, for providing us the paid version of Zoom. Because of this technical support only, we could conduct today's meeting. I also thank Rahul Sakate sir, Deepak Nagre sir, Subhash Shela sir for the technical support. I heartily thank each and everyone. Thank you so much. The feedback, yeah, sir. You want to say
Yes,
something?
yes, madam.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Thank you to one and all. So you people were taken lot many interest, and especially thanks to a technical team. So even though there are certain ditches here at beginning, but you people were made it set right very quickly, because it is very common nowadays in the online. But still then there is a good number of participants, and all will take then a great message or a positive message of the day. And once again, I would like to thanks to the Badlapur College principal and the staff, and you also, madam, the Chetna Foundation, and Pratna, madam, you also, and top of that, the dignitaries of the today's, even the participants. Thank you very much. You people were made my day, and again I have to go for 2-3 sessions.
Thank you so much, sir. You also made our day today. It was the Environment Day, so thank you each one. I have put the feedback link in the chat box. You can fill up your details and submit the feedback. The feedback is very important because we will come to know like what are your expectation from you people, and accordingly we can go towards it. Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, madam. Okay. So nice of you. So nice of you all.
Shall we end the meeting, sir?
Yes, yes, madam. Certainly.
Okay.
Certainly. Thank you to one and all.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank
So
you all
nice
the
of you.
participants. Thank you so much. We are ending the meeting.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.